Are your apps not working because of the base FX extension DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist, and I'll help you re-register that library and end the crashes. As we get into the manual process for BAS FX extension, you can find a professional maintenance utility for environment stability. This DLL file is an effect extension for the BAS audio library. It adds professional-grade digital signal processing features like pitch shifting, tempo control, and equalization to Windows-based audio software. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. The BAS FX extension DLL is bundled directly with BAS Sound System, rather than being a standard Windows system file. Reinstalling the latest version of BAS Sound System is the most reliable way to restore this specific dependency safely. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing the BAS FX extension message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Please keep in mind that manual replacement of the BAS FX extension DLL carries a high operational risk. Using unverified files can cause irreparable damage to your Windows registry and lead to total system instability. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. Return to your project with a more stable environment by reviewing the maintenance-related resource linked below for the base FX extension references. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for the BAS FX extension and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.